Okay, welcome Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in North End of London, a beautiful home behind me. We have a detail where a shingled roof peaks up onto a flat roof right above me. Currently right now it's leaking in the garage. In a detail, you can see where the flat roof meets the wall detail. It's completely opened up. We're gonna repair, we're gonna put some new substrate down. I'll show you what it looks like. The interesting part about this is that the shingle detail, we don't have to rely on the shingle detail to make sure our flat roof's in good shape. Sometimes if it's coming like this, the shingle detail has to be perfect. This time the flat roof detail has to be perfect, and the shingle detail, it separates the two roofs, so it's better for us. Anyway, I'm kind of babbling. Hope you like it, hope you learned something. We'll get going and I'll show you what it looks like. Thank you so much. Okay, welcome. We have come up to the roof. You can see the roof. It is a smaller 15 by 15 detail. They had a lot of openings on the wall, so water's getting into there and going into their garage underneath. So there we go. We're going to put a new substrate down. We got some detail flashings on the outside, a very important wall detail to get done, and we'll show you what it looks like after we put some base sheet down. Thanks a lot. Okay, welcome back. We finished securing the substrate. We now have a new self-adhered peel and stick membrane on. That's the base sheet. It's a 2-ply system. This is the base sheet. We also have a detail flashing. So this is a little easier than when the shingles are coming in, because there's not going to be any large amount of snow and ice build up here. It's actually going to go right down, flow nicely to the eavesdrop below. We also have a wall flash that we completed. There we go. We're going to now put adhesive. So this is the primer we use. It's a peel and stick. It's a roll-on application. So we apply the primer on, and then we are going to put a peel and stick cap sheet. And then over the edges of the cap sheet where they overlap each other, we're going to fuse it, and the asphalt's going to melt together, ultimately making the roof watertight. So here we go. We'll show you what the cap sheet looks like. Thanks a lot. Okay, welcome. The job finished. Turned out great. I think the client's going to be thrilled. Ultimately, we stopped the roof from leaking. We got a brand new roof. So it's a pretty straightforward roof. Put a new substrate down. We added new metal on the wall flashings. That stops any driving rain from hitting the actual membrane. Also stops any water from getting behind them. New drip flashing along the shingle detail, and we're cleaned up. There we go. Hope you liked it, hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.